Hey guys, this is Alan LaRose at MarineMax Coco. Just wanted to show you a 2017 Yellowfin 21 Hybrid we just traded in. This thing has a 250 horsepower show motor on it, 60-mile-an-hour boat. It also has an 8-foot power pole blade, as well as the Altera trolling motor, 36 volt. It's got all the storage up here in the front of the boat. Come in, let me show you. Let's check it out. So we can open up these hatches right here. We have access on this side, on that side, up in front, all one area. Rods come down in here, and they are sleeve storage. We've got cooler here underneath this seat, and then access to our electrical panel. I'll hop here to show you. Battery switches behind the electronics, everything's in there. This boat is also equipped with power assist steering on the 250 Yamaha show motor. Motor has 102 hours on it, give or take. And come around here, I'll show you the dash. We have electro tab trim tabs, as well as a Garmin. This is going to be a 7612 XSV. We've got live wells back here in the back of the boat. Live well here, here, and a third one there. Boat also is equipped with a 6-inch jack plate on it. Boat does include the trailer. Come down and see us, MarineMax Coco. My name is Alan. Have a great day.